Jibreel alayhi salam came to the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam, and he says Khadija is about to enter the room, radiyallahu anha, our mother Khadija Kubra, about to enter the room, and she's carrying with her a platter of food. When she comes in, aqra'ha salam, say salam to her. From who? Min Rabbiha, from her Lord. Think about it. Jibreel is seated, according to the verse, عند ذي العرش مكين, near the throne of Allah Rabbul Izzah. So the Dhul Arsh al-Majid tells him, Jibreel, go down 7 heavens to the house of Muhammad sallallahu alayhi Muhammad. Why? Tell Khadija I said salam. You see, there's levels. أقرأها السلام, say to her salam, من ربها, from her Lord. And then Jibreel wants to get involved as well, so he says وَمِنِّي, and also say salam to her from me. And then وَبَشِّرْهَا بِبَيْتٍ فِي الْجَنَّةِ مِنْ قَصَبٍ, وَالْقَصَبُ فِي اللُّغَةِ لُؤْلُؤًا مُجَوَّفًا, and give her the glad tidings of a house in paradise made from a single pearl. And then Jibreel guarantees, he says there's no ill or defects in that place. It is a place made for joy. There's no sickness, no sadness, no fatigue, no cracks, no up point, no low point. It is built to perfection. This is the house and the palace of Khadija Kubra. مثل الجنة التي وعد المتقون فيها أنهار من ماء غير آسٍ. You go picnicking by the river, and it's just a little watery river, sometimes foul smelling. Now imagine a river of white milk going through. وأنهار من خمر لذة للشاربين, and rivers of wine, a delight to drink. So the wine of here intoxicates and give headaches, gets you out of control. That wine will give you the feel good without its headache and intoxication. And then the cream of all, وَأَنْهَارٌ مِّنْ عَسَلٍ مُصَفَّى, and rivers of pure pristine honey. Can you imagine honey going through a river like that?